Now, the next technology is biosensors. Biosensors, these are analytical devices which measures the concentration of an analytic, or you can say it measures the concentration of a sample. A biosensor is composed of a biological component such as a cell, enzyme or antibody linked to tiny transducer, a device powered by one system that then supply power to a second system. So in biosensors, biological materials such as enzyme, DNA or RNA, cell or antibodies, it is used, and it is used to interact with the analyte or the sample. So our sample will interact with these biological components. So biosensors are detecting devices that rely on the specificity of a cell or an molecule to identify and measure substances at extremely low concentration. So even if the concentration of the sample is very low, we can measure the concentration with the help of a biosensors. Now how it works? Let's see. When the substance of interest binds with the biological component, the transducer produces an electrical or optical signal proportional to the concentration of the substance. See students, what happens when our biological component it interacts with the sample or the analyte? This interaction, it produces some physical or chemical change which is detected by the transducer, and it is converted to an electrical or optical signal. Now this signal is interpreted and converted to the, and it will convert and it will give the concentration of the sample. This will be more clear with the diagram. See here. This is our transducer. This is our transducer. Now these green color structures, these are biological component. These are biological component. It can be enzyme, it can be antibodies, it can be DNA or RNA, or it can be a cell. And these red color structure, these are analyte or the sample that we want to measure. So once the analyte it interact with the biological component, you can see here, once this analyte it will interact with the biological component, this interaction it will cause some physical or chemical change, and this change is detected by the transducer. This change will be detected by the transducer. Now this change, the transducer will then convert the signal, it will process and it will convert into an electrical or optical signal, and thus the concentration of the sample is displayed on the screen of the biosensor. So the transducer it will detect this change or the interaction between the analyte and the biological component, and it will then process and will give us the result in the display of the biosensor. Now where all we have been using biosensors? Biosensors can be used for measurement of nutritional value, that is which nutrient is present in a food, and even if the content of that nutrient is very small, we can still measure its concentration. Freshness and safety of a food, location and measurement of environmental pollutants. So environmental pollutants like heavy metals, pesticides, their concentration can also be measured by the biosensors. So we can use biosensors in food quality monitoring, water quality monitoring, and environmental monitoring.